All right, today I'm going to cover a stock called MMTC. Let us quickly look at the range of the stock. It has an all-time low, which is mentioned here, of 9.9 rupees. It hit in the year 2020, an all-time high of 1310 rupees, which was in the year 2010. So from 2010 till 2020, in the past 10 years, the stock has taken a very bad hit, almost from 1310 rupees to very low of 9 rupees. If you look at uh, this particular range, which is marked in black solid line, which is at the support level, and then there's a red line on top, which is at the resistance level. This range is between 9.9, 9.8 to 66.7 rupees. Since almost 9 years, the stock is in the same range. It has been hitting the resistance, coming back to the support level, again hits the resistance, comes back to the support level. That's how exactly the price has been, the stock has been moving in this particular range. Now, the question is whether this stock will break this range, or will it still further continue to remain in the range. Let us try to find out what's going to happen next. If you look at the monthly time frame, this is how the stock has been moving. So as I said, it's moving in the range. It goes to the resistance, hits the resistance, comes back, again hits the resistance, which is marked here, again comes back to take the support, and that's how it has been moving over the years now. However, what's important to notice here is, let us look at the first time when the stock hit this particular level, which is the resistance. I will remove the markings that I did just now. Okay, now this particular level is what the level of resistance is, which is around 67 rupees. Okay, on monthly time frame, when first time price hit this particular level, price went almost as low as this here at this level, which is around 20 rupees. Now from 20 rupees, just 1 minute, from this level price again went up till again the same level, which is the resistance around 67 rupees. Again from here price started moving down. Okay, and let us look at it went how low. Yeah, so second time when it hit the resistance, it went down as low as 9 rupees. Okay, so the point is, first time it hit the 67 level, the price moved from 67 level to 20. From 20 again price moved to 67. Now second time price moved from 67 level to all the way down to 9 rupees. Again from 9 rupees, price moved up, hit the same resistance. This is a range of 59 to 67. That's the range in which the price is moving. Moving in a sense, it enters that price range, hits the resistance, and comes down. Now, third time, what has happened is, instead of moving from 67 rupees to all the way down, like how it has done in the past couple of months or couple of years, this time the price moved up from here itself. Okay, I'm just going to remove this so that you have a clear picture of what I'm showing. Okay, so what I was telling you guys is, this time the price moved only till here, and again from here it went back to the point of resistance. What I'm trying to show here is, 1 minute, let me just remove everything. Yeah, okay, what I'm trying to show here is, say first time price hit the resistance, went to this level of 20, again hit the second level, it went even lower than 20, it went all the way down to 9 rupees. Again from 9 it went all the way back to the point of resistance. This time this time, unlike all other times, the price did not really move down a lot. Usually, after hitting the resistance, it goes somewhere in the range of 20 rupees to 10 rupees. But in the year 21, it moved only till the low of 34, and again from 34, it moved back to the point of resistance. Again in the year 2022, from 59 to 67 range, price moved all the way down to this level, which is around low of 26. And since past couple of months, from 26, the price has again gone back to the current market price of 38. Now the point that I'm trying to put across here is our point of resistance, which is between these two red lines, has been tested multiple times. Okay, the strength of this particular resistance is getting weaker year on year, month on month. All right, in the past two times when the price hit this particular range of resistance, it has not gone down very low. The price has tried to recover from somewhere in the middle. Okay, now there are definitely some important levels that I'm going to show you from where the price has reacted. Okay, one level on monthly time frame was this, which is a demand zone, and the other was this. Okay, now what has happened is, first level of this, when the price entered this level, it reacted little bit, it went up till here and again broke the level, came down, again went up, again came down. So ultimately what has happened is, this particular range, this particular demand zone on monthly time frame has not worked. Okay, now once you come little below that, there's another monthly demand zone, which is a very good demand zone, and this zone is marked from 26.68 to 28.55. This is the zone that actually resulted in the entire move from this level to this level. So it was a good level. Now in 2023, or rather 2023 March, the price entered in this zone, which is marked in the black lines, and started consolidating here. Now I'm gonna quickly move to the weekly time frame to show you what exactly happened here. Now look at this. Price entered here, consolidated a bit, went up, again came back to the same level. Again from this level it went up. Now all this while, what price was doing was again trying to consolidate near the EMA, which was a 20 EMA. Here you're seeing it on a weekly time frame. So price moved from here, stopped by 20 EMA. This blue line is the 20 EMA line. Now 20 EMA stopped the price for almost 3-4 weeks. Finally, in the week of June 2023, price moved above 20 EMA, settled above 20 EMA, and since the week of June, it has gone up, gone above 20 EMA on weekly time frame. All right. Now, if you look at the daily time frame, the price is making a very typical channel pattern. Just 1 minute. This will be clear for you. Okay, now look at this channel pattern. I'm just going to draw two lines here. This is how it's moving. Exactly, it's taking support of this bottom line, moves up, hits the kind of a resistance, again comes back, and again moves up. So this is the pattern that is following. Yep, again down, taking the support, again moving up. One important point to notice here on daily time frame, this particular candle of 31st July, which is just yesterday, this candle has in fact broken this particular channel as well on the upper side. And this again becomes a very strong indication stating that probably the price will start, I mean, it is already giving you higher high. It will further go up. So I'm just repeating once again. On daily time frame, this is a very clear channel pattern, a very typical structure that the price is forming. Moves from support to resistance, again from resistance goes down. This is what I'm talking about. Again moves to resistance, goes down again to support, and again moves to resistance. I'll remove the last markings. Just give me a minute. Okay. All right. Now pay attention to this particular point, because these are basically sometimes the indications that we tend to miss out on. This particular candle on 31st July was a very strong candle. It gave a very good move from the low of 33 to the high of 38, which is more than a 10% move. And what it did was it actually broke the pattern on the upper side. It did not stop at this particular level. Ideally it should have, because that's how the price is moving in the particular structure. It should have stopped at this and then come down from here, but it did not really stop at that. It crossed this level on the upper side, and it went even furthermore, even above, to almost 39 rupees the next day, right? Now these are the nuances that we need to capture. We need to pay attention to what each candle basically is indicating to you, and these are the things that actually help you understand the price action in a much clearer and a better way. All right. Now what is happening is there's also a supply zone here, which is on the daily time frame. I'm marking this right away. Let me mark this in red color so that you understand this is the supply zone. 1 minute. Yeah. And this supply zone is from 38 rupees to 39. Right. Now, if you notice, this particular supply zone is a strong supply zone. The reason why I say that is because from here, price went all the way down till here. Not just that, this particular zone broke this support, this support, this support, this support. So this level actually broke some important demand zones on daily time frame, on weekly time frame, and hence this level is an important level. All right. Now just let me quickly remove this. All right. Exactly on 1st August, price entered this zone and corrected a bit. It went all the way up till 39.3, came down and closed at 38.35. Now, as a next step, what we need to check now is, let us first check whether the price basically crosses this supply zone or not. If the price moves up and closes above 39.16, which is this red line, right, this will be another indication of price moving, or rather the structure becoming even stronger, and the stock will basically give you further up move. There are high chances that if the price closes above this, the price will keep on moving higher and higher on the higher side. There's another particular level which is marked here already. Let me just change the color to red, and I'll change this into solid. Okay. This again is nothing but the point of resistance, because all this while the price has stopped. uh, yeah, this is the level where the price was stopped in the past, which is around 42, and right from there, this is kind of an origin, because from here the price went all the way down till 26. All right, these are the two levels that you cannot ignore at all. So first, price needs to cross and close above 39, and second, the price needs to cross and close above 42. If it does that, then we can see another up move definitely coming till around 66, 67 rupees, which means price will once again enter into the same zone. Okay, Now the question is whether this time the price will break this long resistance of around 9 to 10 years or not. In my understanding, there are high chances of the price breaking this particular resistance. I have already mentioned the logic behind it. The point is that the resistance is getting weaker year on year, month on month. We have seen, the recovery of price coming in from the middle. It's not really going very low, unlike in the past many years. That's another strong point. Okay. Now, on daily time frame, if you look at, it is giving you a clear higher high structure. It has even broken a long lower low structure. If you look at this is, rather, let me draw from here. Okay, this was the structure which has been already broken. So price used to come to this level, come down again, hit this level, which is kind of resistance, again hit the same level, came down, again it hit the same level, came down. But this time, instead of moving from here to again going down, the price has moved up. Okay, so there are strong indications, a typical way in which the price is behaving. All right, now let us look in the coming few days how the this particular stock moves. I am not recommending you to buy this stock, or I'm not advising you to buy the stock. This is purely from the educational point of view. This is purely for the educational purpose. In case if you want to buy, enter into the stock, please consult your advisor, take their understanding, take their help, and only then invest your monies in MMTC.